voice is audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, last time we have posted. Okay, so GL, right? So last time we have posted one transaction. Okay, and also we rectified that error. So I don't know how many people done this configuration and clear the issue. So have you done this? Have you done this posting?
Yes, sir, we have done it.
Okay, then share the screenshot at least. Okay. So everyone, please share your screenshot. If you are struggling with anything, then please share your screen also. We will resolve the thing.
I sir, but I didn't get that error, sir. Directly it was posted, sir.
Okay, just give me a moment now. Okay, guys. Okay. See, last time we have finished up real posting, right? So today we will continue with other topics. Just give me a moment. Okay. So have you got any errors? Anyone?
Sir, I am not. No, sir, I am not getting any error. But the documents was posted successfully, sir.
Okay. So you have done SAP S4HANA or ECC?
S4HANA, sir.
Okay. So same server or any other server?
Same server, sir.
Okay. So anyone facing any issues? So please share your screen. We'll rectify. We will rectify the errors. So if you are struggling with anything, please share your screen. Okay. So once you complete the task, then please share your assignment in the chat box. Okay. So once the task has been completed, then please share your assignment in the chat box. See, guys, today I will tell you how to post a GL transaction in SAP by using the transaction code FB50 and F-02 and F-02 and FB50. Okay. The same thing I am doing right now. So whenever you are posting a transaction, you just go to OB57. Okay, while booking any transaction, you go to OB57 and check. So and check your user ID is linked with your tolerance group or not. Okay, so your user ID is S4 user 87. This is my user ID and your user ID you can see over here. Okay, so this is my user ID. This is not linked with my company code. So tell me what is our company code? What is our company?
KIM.
Yeah, KIM. So give your tolerance group and your user ID. So your user ID will find over here. Okay, your user ID you will find over here. And now you just save it. Now you just save it. That's it. Now you can book the transaction. So go to FB50. Go to FB50. Okay, go to FB50 and give the document date. So give the document date means when the transaction has been done. So the document date means when the transaction has been done. So posting date means so when you are entering the transaction. So today I'm entering and this is the document date. You can also give it old date also. Okay, you can give a previous date. So this is transaction happened on this date. Okay, and the reference number. So every transaction should have a reference number. Okay, you want to book rent or salary. Okay, so then you can give this and give the GL account. So give the GL account. So rent GL account. Okay, and salary GL account. Okay, and bank GL account. Okay, so debit, credit. Okay, so this is 50,000 and this is 50,000. So this is 1 lakh rupees. So just give this details. Okay, and then click enter. So enter, system is asking value date for this GL account. So generally value date should be given only bank GLs, not this, but backend someone said so value date is mandatory. That's the reason we are giving these details. Generally value date should be given only for bank GLs. This is the bank GL. So that's the reason we need to give the value date here. But someone has said this 2 GLs value date is mandatory, but in real time, so there is no need of this value date here. Only for bank GLs we need to give. Okay, see here, all your line items have been checked and your total debit equal to total credit and is showing as a green color. That means balance equal. Okay, and now you simulate rent account debit, salary account debit. So debit should be denoted as a 40, GL debit 40, GL debit 40 and GL credit 50. 50 means credit. Okay, so total debit equal to total credit. So for the company code, okay, and for the year. Now you just save it. So transaction has been booked. Transaction have been booked. So now the same transaction you can post through F-02. This is the transaction, okay, that you posted through FB50. Okay, but now you want to post the same transaction through F-02. Then F-02, give F-02. Okay, give F-02 and in the command field, then click enter and give the document date. So give the document date and this is the document type SA and give the reference number. Okay, in real time reference number should be like this numbers. Okay, real time numbers reference number should be like this. The same rent and salary accounts paid entries I'm posting through this F-02. Okay, the same transaction I'm booking through F-02. So here document type. So general ledger document type is SA and company code is KIM. Currency is INR. Okay, and give these details. 40 means debit salary. Okay, salary debit salary enter. Okay, and amount. So 10,000 and value date salary and give 40. Okay, 40. This is salary rent. Okay, this is rent. Enter. Okay, so amount rent also I can give it 10,000. Okay, value date. So give value date. So rent salary has been given. Okay, now which GL you want to give? So 50 for credit, and give the credit. So 50 is for credit. Okay, so credit entry is so Citibank, enter. Okay, then put star. Star means total amount should be calculated system. Plus means whatever you given in the debit, the same will be copied. So simulate rent, salary 10,000, rent 10,000. These are line item 1 and this is line item 2 and this is line item 3. Okay, total debit equal to total credit. Okay, so you are paying through Citibank. Now you just save it. So I posted 3 documents. I posted how many documents? 3 documents. I posted 3 documents. Okay, I posted 3 documents. Now, where we can see these details? Where we can see these details? So, you go to FBL3N. You just go to FBL3N. This is for GL open item, clear item. Okay, so here we can see the details. Or else you go to directly accounting, financial accounting. We are into general ledger. Okay, document entry. So document entry FB50, F-02. Okay, and the document, you want to change the document, here the T codes are there. Okay, now you want to see the balances, open items, GL balances, the T code is FEGLB03. Okay, and GL display, FAGL03. So just double click on this. Okay, double click on this and take your GL accounts. So take your all GL accounts. So this is rent and this is salary and this is Citibank. So Citibank. So you want to check the GLs balances. So click FAGLL03, FAGLL03 and double click on this. So this is the Citibank. Okay, Citibank balance this one and 50 total Citibank balance. So Citibank balance this one and so your rent 65,000 and salary 65,000. Okay, rent 65,000. Citibank 20,000. Citibank rent. Okay, salary 65,000. You want to see the transaction, what transaction, what is this transaction I want to see, then select this and click on this display, okay, and so call up document, okay, see this is the transaction I booked, this is the transaction I booked. So you want to see full details, who posted, when posted, what document. Okay, so hat, go to hat. Okay, go to hat. So here document type. Okay, header text. Who posted? Okay, who posted? And so what is the posting date? What is the document date? These are all kind of information we will see in the hat. Okay, again I'm showing you. Go back and select any line item. You want to see the journal entry for this line item. Go to display. And click on this column document. So this is the document. Okay, so this is the document. So this is the document. And you want to see GL balances. FAGLB03. FAGLB03. Double click on this and take the GLs. So take the GLs. Rent GL. You want to see rent GL balance. Click on this. Okay, 65,000. So debit credit entry was not there. The credit is not there because I directly posted paid entries. But initially we need to book the outstanding entry, then paid entry. But I directly booked the paid entry. That is the reason system is not showing credit entry. Okay, so you just double click on this. You just double click on this. You will see the breakup. So these are the transactions. So you want to, so this is the rent. So like that you can also see salary. Okay, salary. Okay, this is the breakup. And you want to see the Citibank. So give this and execute. So this is the balance. So just type down the transaction codes. So GL transaction codes in SAP. Okay, GL transaction codes in SAP. So just type down the posting. GL posting. T codes. FB50. or F-02. Okay, so GL open item or cleared item or all items. T code in SAP S4HANA FAGL FAGLL03 FAGLL03. Okay, GL balances. So GL balances. So GL balances. So FAGL B03. Okay. So FAGL B03. GL balances. FAGL B03. Okay, FAGL B03. And you want to see the trial balance. You want to see trial balance. So with this transaction codes, you want to see trial balance F.01. Okay. So F.01. So just give F.01. F.01. Enter. Okay. Give your company code and give your chart of account. Okay. And so here the ledger you can take the ledgers OL leading ledger. Okay. And so financial statement version means which version you want to see the financial statement. So India. Okay, so you are giving the report 1 to 16 periods. Right now we are in 12 period. So just execute. So Citibank, SBI Bank, rent salary. So total balances you will see over here. The financial statement. The T code F.01. T code F.01. Okay. So F.01. So now, so you know how to book the transaction by using FB50 and F-02. Okay. So and also you want to book the transaction with a reference. You want to book the transaction with a reference. How we can do this? Okay, reference. So you just go to FB50. So I just posted one transaction, right? I want to book the transaction with the reference, same reference. I don't want to give all the details once again. Okay, just go to and post with the reference. Okay, give the document number which you are taken as a reference. Okay, so I am giving the document number 1. Okay, this is the document number 1 I posted. So I just given the document number 1 and company code, then give the fiscal year. Okay, give the fiscal year, enter. Okay, same transaction is already booked. Okay, you want to book the same transaction once again. So change the reference number and enter. Okay, rent, salary, bank. Same transaction you are booking. So this is the document number 4. Okay, again you want to book the transaction with the same. Then again just put give the document number and fiscal year and put this one. Okay. So give the reference number and enter. So rent, salary, SBI Bank, right? Rent, salary, SBI Bank, and just post it. Okay. So now again you want to post the same transaction. So put the document number. Okay. And change the reference because it should not be duplicate. And enter. So here I want to change the amounts. Yes, it is possible. Okay. Just double click on this. So here I'm changing amount 10,000. Okay. And click on this. Okay, click on this or click on this just save button. It's a 10,000. So total 10 plus 5, 15,000. So you change this. This is 50, right? So total debits are 15,000. So credit should be 15,000. So credit should be 15,000. So just double click on this and give 15,000. Okay. So give and give 15,000 simulate. So total debit equal to total credit. You can also change. See, I didn't given any of this. Okay, I'm just taking as a reference. I posted one document, the same one I'm taking as a reference and again posting the transaction. Okay, save this. So now you people understand that. So once the transaction has been posted and there is no need to book the same transaction. Okay, so there is no need to book the same transaction. Okay, say there is no need to book the same transaction. So we can use the reference option. We can use the reference option. Reference. So this is reference. Now I will tell you fast data entry. Fast data entry means you just to go to F-02. So you just go to F-02. Okay, and give the document date. So give the document date. Okay, and the reference number. Okay, and give the reference number. And give the, see, just you give these details, that's it. Okay, just to give these details. And just to give the header data. And here we have an option. GL item fast entry, GL item fast entry. So click on this, click on this. So I just take 40 means salary. Okay, salary. Again take 40. Okay, again take 40. So rent. So again take 50. So 50. Directly you can take 50. Okay, so this is the credit entry. Okay, credit. So SBI Bank I'm taking right now. So salary 50,000. So rent 50,000. And for this there is no need to give 1 lakh rupees. You put stock. System will calculate total debit. Okay, automatically. Then put enter. Enter. Just click on the enter. Okay. So here it's showing as a highlighted. Just look at this. These two are highlighting. But that is the reason you cannot book the transaction. System showing that correct the marked line items. System showing that correct the marked line items. That means, okay, so we need to correct this. We need to correct these two line items. Line item 1, line item 2. We need to correct. Double click on this. See, system is asking value date. This is the mandatory. That's the reason. So system saying that correct the line item. It's be corrected. And this is also we need to correct. Okay, so value date. Okay, the value date, and you just go back. So all the line items are balanced. All the line item balance means total debit equal to total credit. There is no highlighted error messages. Okay, and save it. So 7 transaction I booked. Okay, 7 transaction I booked this document type SA. Okay, now do one thing. Now you do one thing. Go to OBA7. Go to OBA7 and click enter. Go to OBA7 and click enter. Then go to position. Okay. So just go to position and give essay document. Essay document and essay document. Double click on this. Double click on this. Okay. So double click on this. So here you just go to number range and give your company code. So your company code is, what is your company code? So KIM, give your company code and check intervals. So we have defined for this 01 essay document, okay, up to 1000. But in the NR status showing 7, that means I posted 7 documents. I posted 7 documents so far. So we can post up to 1000. We can post up to 1000. Got my point? Okay. So this is the number range 01 for the essay document. Essay document. Okay. So now you today you have learnt about how to book the transaction by using the T code FB50 F-02. Okay, FB50 and F-02, and also how to see the reports. Okay, by using the transaction code. So this is the transaction codes FAGL-B03 and FAGLL-03, and also you seen so F.01. F.01 is the T code for financial statements, trial balance. Okay, and you want to see the reporting. Okay, you want to see the reports in SAP S4HANA. You want to see the reports, complete reports on the GL. Okay, so this is the place. So you can see the complete reports. Information system. So just double click on this general ledger reports. Click on this. Okay, so here account balances, master data. Master data means GL master data. So how many GLs you created? You want to see the reports? Just double click on this. Okay, so GL account list. GL account list. Just double click on this and give your company code. Give your company code and execute. Execute. See, you have created this GL account. This is the report. So report is S underscore ALR underscore 8701233. Okay. So this is the GL reports. This is the GL reports. Okay. And this is the master data. And you want to see the account balances, GL balances. So click on this. It's a general. General. We are not into other countries. General. Okay. Click on this GL account balances. Click on this. So here GL account balances. Double click on this and give your company code. So give your company code. Give your company code and execute and execute. See, this is the GL accounts. These are all GL accounts and the balances. So these are all balances. This is called as a reports. Reports. You want to see the financial statement. Okay, financial statement. So you want to see the Indian financial statement general. Okay, general. So actual versus comparison. You want to see the comparison. So financial statement. So double click on this. So give your company code. Okay, and financial statement you want to see in Indian. Okay, you want to see in Indian. Then select this and execute. Okay, so this is the financial statement. See, once you post the transaction, system will automatically post it to ledgers and also financial statement also prepared. And also reports will be generated automatically in SAP system. The main thing is you need to do, so you just post the transaction. That's it. Remaining things will be taken care by SAP. It should be posted to ledgers and it should be posted to your reports, etc. Financial statement will be prepared automatically, right? So the main thing you need to do is you just post the transaction so accurately. That's it. Remaining things will be taken care by SAP. So today you have learnt about how to book the transaction. So today you have learnt about how to book the transaction by using the T code FB50. Okay. So by using the T code. So by using the T code. So by using the T code FB50 and also you have learned book the transaction, booking the transaction with the reference. Okay, and also you have seen this booking the transaction with the fast data entry. Okay, with fast data entry. And so you have also seen reports. So how to execute reports in SAP. Okay, so and now you want to see some more things, some more functionality in SAP. How to change the document once the document has been posted, and how to change and how to display the document. For changing the document, so change the document. FB02. So I'm changing the document T code FB02 and display the document. So display the document FB03. So changing the document T code FB02 and display the document T code FB03. So I want to change some documents. Okay, if we have document number, we can change everything. So for changing and all, so we have the path. So just look at this general ledger. So document entry means posting. Document means changing, editing, anything. Okay, account means balances. So master records means GL creation. So here GL can be created by using FS00. Okay. So GL should be created. It's a GL creation. Okay. And you want to see it change it. You want to change FB02. Just double click on this. So give the document number which you want to change. For example, I want to change the document number. I want to change the document number, document 2. So just give the document number, enter. Okay, this is the rent salary SBI. Okay, so I want to change this. I want to change this document. Okay, so double click on this. So you cannot change amount. Once the transaction has been booked, you cannot change the amount. You cannot change the GL account. These are all grey out. These are all grey out. These are all grey out. Only editable we can change it. This is editable. This is editable. Okay, so we can change it. This is the text I forgotten. Now I am giving rent. Okay, and you cannot change the amounts. You cannot change the GL accounts. You cannot change the company code because it's a gray out. So those things are gray out. We cannot change. Okay, in more. So more all things are gray out. Okay, additional data, nothing else. So I just want to change the value dates. Okay, I want to change the value date. Okay, I can change it. Only editable options can be changed, but we cannot change the gray out options. Now you save it. Okay, I changed. Just look at this. Okay, so again just see, I changed this. And where we see the, so I changed it, right? So where we see the display changes. So where we see the display changes. So FB04. So FB04. So FB04, we will see the display changes. So just double click on this, give your document number. So just company code, give your document number, enter. Okay, I changed the text and value date. I changed the text and value date. I changed the text and value date. Okay. So now, so you guys understand how to change the transaction. Again, I'm showing you. So give any document number. Okay, you want to change, enter. Okay, double click on the line item. So these items can be changed. Okay. So what is the document number? What is the document? So what is the document? What is the T code? FB04. So which you have changed. So we want to see in FB04. Okay, we will see in FB04. So this is the document display. You want to see the document. Okay, so just you have only the number, document number. So if you have document number, we will see the transaction. Okay, so just double click on this. So just give the document number and you will see the transaction. What transaction you book and who booked the transaction. This is the document type SA. Okay, and who booked the transaction and when booked, and these are all things we will see, document date, posting date, etc. Got my point? So these things we discussed today, and same you can do it today. Okay, and you just share your screenshot in the chat box. Okay, so most of the people not sharing the screenshot. I don't know what is the reason. So even you are struggling with anything, okay, just share in the chat box. Okay, so I didn't get assignment. I didn't get assignment screenshot from anyone. Only 1 or 2 people shared. But I need everyone need to be posted here. Okay, once you guys are posted, then we'll move to the next topic. So I given today time, okay, for 2 hours time. So just book the transaction and do it all these things by tomorrow. Okay, and send the screenshot on immediate basis. Send the screenshot on immediate basis. Okay. So and today just read out this transaction codes, end user transaction codes. So these are all things will be done by SAP end users in the production system. Okay, but as a functional consultant, we should aware all these things. Okay, so if we post wrong amount, we can reverse the transaction. So reversal we will discuss next classes. Okay. So SAP, if any transaction has been booked wrongly, okay, so then we can reverse it. We can reverse it. Okay, so those things we'll discuss it in the next classes. So meanwhile, you guys, so complete all the assignments. Okay, so just you post the transaction and do it immediately and send the screenshot by today and send the screenshot by today. I'm just giving just like 3 hours time. So just do it immediately. Okay, do it immediately. So today I will wind up the session because most of the people not send the screenshot. Okay, so I expect everyone need to send a screenshot up to GL module. So if you are struggling with anything, so you discuss with me or you put a screenshot in the chat box. Other people will help you out. Okay, or else I will directly tell you how to resolve. Okay, by tomorrow this time everyone should complete the transaction booking and share the screenshot. Okay, transaction booking and share the screenshot. So I expect everyone book the transaction and share the screenshot. Okay, right. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Huh.
Sir, if wrongly posted document, what we have to do, sir?
Yes. So no. So those things will be taken care of by only SAP end users. Okay. We will suggest to the end user to do like that. Okay, but we don't have access. We don't have access directly in the production system by doing all these things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so everyone send the screenshot, everyone, and complete assignment by today. Okay, if I'm giving holiday a Saturday, Sunday, that means everyone need to finish up the assignments. That's the reason we are giving holiday. Okay, in the coming sessions, so we have a lot of things need to do in our system. Okay, if you not do these basic things, this should be next classes you shouldn't understand. That's the reason. So first to complete all these assignment. Okay, I need everyone. Everyone need to complete. Thank you.
Sir,
Yes.
hello.
Yeah.
Sir, suppose we are having the due date for the document, sir. How does the system calculate the due date, sir, with the posting date or document date?
So depends upon the payment term. So here due date is nothing, right? So here we didn't give any due dates. So payment term, based upon the payment term, system calculate these things. We do configuration in the payment term. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Right. Okay, guys. Thank you all. Good night. So we are just winding up the session, and so please post all the screenshots in the chat box. Okay. Any issues? Kindly share the screenshot in the chat box. Okay. Thank you all. See you.